Welcome! If you've been missing important alerts from Snapchat, especially those smaller or less obvious ones, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable pop-up notifications for miscellaneous alerts on Snapchat, so you never miss a thing again. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions and system preferences live, so everything we need will be right here. Next, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. Depending on your device, this might also be called Apps and Notifications, but the idea is the same. Now, look through your list of installed apps and tap on Snapchat. This will open up all the settings specifically related to Snapchat on your device. Once you're inside, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different notification options Snapchat offers. From there, go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. This section lets you control specific types of notifications, instead of just turning everything on or off. Now find and tap on Miscellaneous. These are usually the less prominent notifications that don't always show up as pop-ups by default. Finally, look for the option labeled Show as Pop-up and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, you'll start seeing those miscellaneous Snapchat notifications appear on your screen as pop-ups.